Love this hot tub. We set it up in less than 30 minutes. It took about 3 days to get to temp, starting with 50-degree water. It's held the temperature well since then. Drops about 4 degrees in 15 minutes while using the bubbles, but 100 is still comfortable. We have zero complaints and have recommended it to everyone looking for a lower cost spa. We wanted to see if we should get a real hot tub, so we bought this to see if we would use one. We picked this one in particular because of the size. The fake wood blends in with the surroundings. It was easy to set up. It is nice and roomy inside. Our family of 5 fits nicely. We bought Intex spa seats, so the kids can sit above the water level. Best money spent in a while. No dislikes. Easy to install and working great. Great spa. Love to relax in it after a long day. I love the look and the modern design and very spacious. Nicer look than the usual inflatable. I've owned a couple of SaluSpa products and this one is similar to setup and use. It is a little pricey, but I think the style and added room inside, while maintaining a smaller footprint, is worth it. One thing that was a little disappointing was that the cover didn't have the side matching top. It is a solid brown cover. Not a bad look. I was just hoping for the matching inset. I totally love my new jacuzzi. It fits me and 3 other adults comfortably and I'm 6 feet 2 inches 250 pounds. Thank you for such an awesome product. Last year we tried an inflatable kid pool, but the water would get too cold to be enjoyable, and it was impossible to keep clean. So, I decided to take a chance on this thing. I looked at all the different brands, and chose this because of the faux wood look. I seriously could be happier with it. My neighbors couldn't believe it wasn't real wood. My daughter loves it, and I really love it. It was easy for me to set up by myself. The filtration works perfectly. The heating works like a dream. I have waited 3 months before I wrote this review so I could give you more accurate account of the tub. This tub totally fits my needs. I have arthritis but I can get in and out easily. It heats up to at least 103. I haven't pushed beyond that. When the outside temperature dropped below 40, it does not hold the heat as long as the hard-sided tub, so when I want to get in I turn the heat up 4 hours before I'm ready to use the tub. I keep it constantly at about 95. Now that the outside temperature has been in the 70s, the water temperature does not drop as quickly and it maintains its heat longer. Considering the price I paid for the value is outstanding. Great value for the price. I have owned a hard-sided tub and I much prefer. Wrong pump. Missing attachment to inflate. Was delivered on its side by Prime. No instructions on assembly. All available videos are of a different version, but after some manhandling of the lines wrestling with the hand pump we got it up and running. It's a great hot tub, but assembly is frustrating. I was really shocked. It's taller than I expected based on the picture. It looks nice on our back patio. Can't wait to get in. Setup took about an hour. It also showed up a day ahead of time, even with all this coronavirus stuff happening. Hands down great buy. It does take a while for water to heat up, but halfway through I decide to hook up the water hose to the hot water heater. Problem was solved after that. Bought this as a test to see if we wanted to buy a full-size hot tub. It was simple to set up. The filter also inflated the hot tub, which is convenient. It holds water well and is very sturdy. I would say it fits about 3 full-size adults well. It gets to about 104 degrees Fahrenheit but heats up about 1 to 2 degrees per hour, so prepare to wait a day or two. Smiley face. I have been maintaining it at about 100 degrees. The bubbles, however, do decrease the temperature fairly rapidly, so we do not use frequently or for long durations. Absolutely recommend. Very satisfied. Update September 20th, I submitted a warranty claim about the liner issue, and I heard back within 48 hours from a customer service representative that although we were outside our warranty range, which I honestly did not know, they would still as a one-time honor it, and they shipped a whole new tub menu. Overall best customer service we have received with a doubt. We have the new tub already filled and ready to use. Thank you Bestway. We bought this tub in February of this year. It was easy to set up and it does heat up fast. After about 30 minutes of use it begins to cool down fast, but it depends also on the weather outside, of course. Our problem began in June. We weren't using it as much and my husband noticed a strip of plastic coming loose around the bottom next to the wall behind the bubble tube. It seemed the glue that was used just deteriorated, and now we have this strip not completely detached and don't know if it's critical T. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.